From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
Question 31 of NECO 2025 is on simple equation. It says solve 5 bracket y plus 2 minus 2 bracket 3y minus 5 equals 4. And so we just simply open the bracket. This will give us 5y plus this is 10. This is minus 6y. Minus minus is plus. 2 times 5 is 10 equals 4. So you collect like terms. So 5y minus 6y is minus y. 10 plus 10 is 20 equals 4. And this is minus y. Take 20 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 20. Minus y will become minus 16. Divide both sides by minus 1 because we are looking for y and not minus y. So that will get y to be 16. That's D. Thank you for watching.